Welcome to Quick PowerApps Tips. In this episode, I'll show you how to add a subgrid to a model-driven app form. Subgrids are a powerful way to display related records like tasks under a project directly on your form. Let's dive in and set one up in just a few clicks. On my screen here, I have got a model-driven application with project and tasks tables. Mind you, these tables are unrelated. So as you can see here, I've got the project details where I've got the project name, description, project managers. But what we want to add is we want to be able to view tasks that are under this project. So I'll add in this. As you can see here, I've added my project details here. But where exactly am I going to add the tasks? Because currently, there is no relationship between these two tables, and for us to add the subgrid, as I said earlier, that the subgrid would allow us to see all the project tasks pertaining to this project right here, project S1. To do this, I'll go back to my model-driven app editor, go to Forms, select my main form, edit, and then these are the details for the project details. I'll click here where it says related. I'll click on this plus button, new relationship. It's a one-to-many relationship because one project can have many project tasks. I'll click on many. And then I'll link it to the project task table. Done. Now we have created our relationship. To add the subgrid down here, what I'll do is that I'll go to component, drag this new section here, drop it there, and then you see under components we have got what we call subgrids. I'll select this. Subgrids will show you different views that are for the records related to this particular table. What I want is the project tasks. So I'll select the project task, the one that we just added, and you see here this one is checked to say show only related records. I don't want to be seeing project tasks for another project, so I should only see project tasks pertaining to my current project. I'll click on done. When that is done, I can just rename this because it will give you a default naming convention. But what I'll do is that I'll just say tasks. Okay, the new section, we can hide the label as well. And as you can see here, we have got our project details, and then underneath here we have added our subgrid. Let's save and publish. Now, if we are to go back to our application, do a quick refresh. You see that we have got our project details at the top here, and then we have got tasks at the bottom here. To add a new task, I can just click on this new add button here. When I click on that, it will pop up a form. I can just say task number 1, and then this one has been assigned to Stephen, and then the due date is on the 11th. The priority level is important. I will publish this. There you go. As you can see, all the tasks that are pertaining to this project, that will be shown here when I just open up the projects table. So that was it for today's tip as exactly how to add a subgrid. That's how easy it is. A few clicks and then you have got information that is related to the other table showing up on the same form like this. If you have any other request on the tips that you want to see in the future, feel free to comment in the comment section below. It has been me, Steven. I wish you all a good day.